We just saw a lava jet now, but it's very hard to catch it. It's like you need to wait like 10 minutes before you see some lava jet shooting in the air. It's but there is lava in the crater, and it's exiting it through the tube. You'll see it in a drone video. 2 flights I made, so everything's coming tonight. So we hike back now. Yeah, you saw lava. Okay, now you saw it a little bit. Yeah, that's so it proves that there is lava inside. Lots of oxidated stuff from the lava. I don't even know what it is. But, this is the new lava from 2 weeks ago. You barely see lava jets like from the hill. Maybe every 10 minutes, small lava tank, but that's it. Okay, now there was a small jet, I saw it.
Io voglio fare un giretto di lì.
Ah, sono lì, ragazzi?
Credo di sì.
Sì, combattiamoci un attimo.
Okay, you saw it there. So, volcano is erupting. But we have to walk back. It's 1 hour walk, so through the mud. It got quite warm now. Finally, the sense of the summer. From volcano shuttle tracks. They're going non-stop here.